Hi and welcome to my channel, Emma Mentel, health practitioner. In this video I'm going to show you how I check my blood glucose using an Accu-chek glucometer. So I use a alcohol swab, and with this I clean one of my fingers. When I've done that, I usually put one of the measuring sticks into the machine, and that will indicate then that I can put the drop of blood on the machine. I use this little soft clicks to make a small little puncture on the finger that I've cleaned. Get the drop of blood, and that goes onto the small strip to test the blood sugar. So this indicates a 5.3 reading, which is not too bad since I've had some coffee, and that usually raises my blood sugar by a little bit. I then just use the swab to clean that off. So with this machine, I can do regular quick checks. I can also look at averages of 7 days or 30 days.